Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data cable easily. Data cables are incredibly versatile, acting as the bridge between your devices and the digital world, or simply keeping them powered up. We will cover the simple steps to connect and utilize these essential tools. Getting familiar with your cables makes managing your gadgets much smoother and more efficient. Knowing how to use them properly saves you time and frustration. Connecting a data cable is straightforward, but precision helps. First, locate the appropriate port on your device, usually a small, distinct slot that matches one end of your cable. Then, find the corresponding port on your computer, power adapter, or other device. Insert each end of the cable gently but firmly until you feel a slight click or resistance, ensuring it is fully seated for reliable performance. This secure connection is key for successful operation. Once your cable is connected, your device will often display a prompt asking how you wish to proceed. You might see options such as transfer files, import photos, or charge only. For data transfer, select the appropriate option to access your device's storage on your computer. If you just need to power up, simply choose charge only. Many modern cables can deliver up to 60 watts of power, significantly reducing charging times for compatible devices. Sometimes, you might encounter issues like slow charging or a lack of data transfer. A simple solution is to try a different USB port on your computer, or even swap out the cable for another one if available. Always inspect both the cable ends and device ports for any dust or lint, which can obstruct a good connection. Proper storage is also crucial. Avoid tightly coiling or bending cables sharply, as this can damage the internal wires over time, ensuring they last for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.